Most locals here today have attended a low country boil and eaten South Carolina white shrimp. Don't worry, regarding the title of my talk, none of the parasites that I find in shrimp will in any way impact human health or the deliciousness of your shrimp. Low country boils are actually one of the reasons white shrimp comprise one of the top commercial fisheries in South Carolina, bringing in more than $7 million annually. However, in recent decades, there's been a decline in commercial shrimp landings that has coincided with the arrival of a condition known as blackgill, shown here. Blackgill is an immune response in shrimp that causes the darkening of gill tissues in order to eliminate gill irritants like bacteria and fungi. In the southeastern U.S., blackgill has been associated with the presence of a parasitic ciliate in the shrimp gills, shown here in the bottom corner. However, this has also been associated with a reduced physical endurance in shrimp or less escape behaviors, as well as difficulty with respiration or breathing. These physical setbacks in shrimp could also be due to a number of other parasites, including this tapeworm shown here. My thesis aims to examine the relationship between blackgill and individual shrimp condition to further evaluate the potentially negative impacts on shrimp health utilizing shrimp body mass. I also plan to look at the relationship between blackgill and shrimp parasites to determine if any biological factors beyond the ciliate could be contributing to this darkening color that we see in the shrimp gills. And lastly, I plan to evaluate the relationship between individual shrimp body condition and shrimp parasites to determine if any of these other parasites could be impacting shrimp health. In order to do this, I collected shrimp from the Charleston Harbor watershed using otter trawl surveys, where we drag a net behind a boat. And I gave each shrimp a blackgill rank from 1 to 10 using the scale right there. And then shrimp were dissected to record parasite presence and numbers and dragged to determine individual shrimp body mass. The results from my study so far indicate that shrimp with blackgill tend to weigh more than shrimp without blackgill, a conclusion that's counter to what you might expect and could point to a relationship between shrimp blackgill and the shrimp molt cycle, which is how shrimp grow in size. Additionally, shrimp parasite communities, or assemblages of parasite species within shrimp, tend to change as shrimp life history plays out. This suggests both an environmental and shrimp life cycle component to parasite presence. It's my hope that this research helps resource managers better understand the factors contributing to shrimp health and shrimp commercial landings so that South Carolinians can continue to enjoy low country boils for